Welcome to today's review on the EXPLUX A3 DTF printer, the ultimate solution for high-quality, fast, and professional apparel printing. This printer truly stands out with its sleek design and remarkable performance, making it ideal for both small business owners and creative enthusiasts. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this printer at the best price in the market. The EXPLUX A3 DTF printer comes with the powerful XP600 turbo printhead, capable of delivering crisp, vibrant designs at speeds twice as fast as comparable L1800 and L805 models, making it perfect for t-shirts, hats, bags, shoes, and more. Its 2880 by 1440 dpi resolution ensures every detail pops, while the 13-inch wide printing area gives you plenty of room for bold, expressive designs. One of the key highlights is its advanced white ink circulation, mixing, and filtration system, which prevents sedimentation, reduces clogging, and extends printhead life by up to 80%, guaranteeing consistent, high-quality results on both light and dark fabrics. The printer also features a 5-inch multilingual LED touchscreen, which gives you full control over print speed, nozzle diagnostics, language selection, and self-cleaning cycles, all from an intuitive and easy-to-use interface. Electric paper rollers make setup quick and precise, allowing even beginners to start printing professionally in no time. For added convenience, EXPLUX provides a 2-year ink supply with every purchase, including 5 250ml bottles and 500 grams of DTF powder, delivered in manageable batches so you can focus on printing rather than constantly restocking. The printer is compatible with multiple materials and supports a range of fabrics, ensuring your creative possibilities are practically limitless. The package comes as a complete starter kit, including the DTF printer, A3 oven, laptop, 100 meters of transfer film, cleaning tools, software, 2 sample t-shirts, and detailed video tutorials, enabling anyone to start a DTF printing business immediately without prior experience. Safety and reliability are also prioritized, with virus-free software updates that keep the system running smoothly and built-in security to protect your device. The printer supports Windows 7, 10, and 11, providing broad compatibility for your workflow. EXPLUX backs its products with a 6-month printhead warranty, 1-year accessory warranty, and lifetime remote support, ensuring peace of mind and prompt assistance whenever needed. The printer's vibrant color output and rapid performance make it perfect for high-demand environments, while the anti-clog and low-ink warning systems minimize downtime and reduce stress, keeping your production smooth. Its LED display and touch interface simplify complicated processes, giving you full control over every detail and letting you experiment freely without worrying about errors. The starter kit is thoughtfully curated to include everything a user needs, from software and accessories to consumables, so you can start creating immediately and focus on your designs rather than sourcing multiple components. EXPLUX has truly designed this printer with both quality and convenience in mind, balancing speed, precision, and reliability in a single compact unit. Overall, the EXPLUX A3 DTF printer is an exceptional tool for anyone looking to create professional quality apparel prints quickly and efficiently, offering both beginners and seasoned users the features, support, and supplies needed to succeed. The printer has a few minor drawbacks, such as the lack of macOS compatibility, which means users need a Windows system to fully utilize it, and the initial investment is higher than some entry-level printers, but the overall performance, long-term reliability, and included starter kit easily outweigh these considerations. Whether you're looking to start a small printing business or just want a high-quality printer for custom projects, this printer delivers on all fronts. Don't miss the chance to explore its full capabilities and start producing professional, vibrant prints right away. Check the link in the description below to get your EXPLUX A3 DTF printer today, and enjoy all the features, 2-year ink supply, and comprehensive support that come with this incredible package.